Not only the compost, its liquid fertilizer is also a very rich source of nutrients, and works as a growth booster for almost all type of plants. And in this video, we are also going to know how you can prepare compost tea fertilizer at home, its uses and benefits. So let's start, and don't forget to subscribe. Compost tea is a liquid form of fertilizer extracted from the composting process. The liquid from the drainage hole of any compost bin is a rich source of nutrients and helpful microbes. And this way it is used as a liquid fertilizer to grow vegetables and other plants. Like other regular fertilizers, compost is also a very useful thing, and its liquid fertilizer includes similar benefits, but it absorbs in the soil much faster. There are so many benefits of using compost tea, let's know about a few of them. Compost tea liquid majorly provides a wide range of essential nutrients to the soil. It contains nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, zinc and so on. These nutrients from the compost tea liquid drives the whole life cycle of a plant. Regular use of compost tea liquid fertilizer improves the quality of soil by enhancing its drainage, water retention and fertility. Compost tea also improves the soil's aeration, that is very important for the root vegetables. As compost have helpful microbes, its liquid fertilizer also contains many of the useful microbes. These tiny creatures improve soil fertility and porosity, and regular use of compost tea helps them reproduce and benefits our plants. Compost tea liquid also makes the soil little acidic, that is extremely important for the growth of buds and flowers. Use of compost tea in vegetable and flowering plants can be a super beneficial thing, so must give it a try. A list of winter vegetables and flowering plants is added in the description box. When plant gets enough nutrition, it also possesses a healthy and stronger immune system. That means compost tea also enables the plant to fight against pests and environmental changes. It also an organic thing that saves us from the drawbacks of chemical fertilizers. Foliar spray of compost tea also prevents many type of leaf problems. That's why you can also use it for infected indoor plants. Another major benefit of compost tea is that it dissolves much faster in the soil, because all the nutrients have already dissolved in the liquid. For making compost tea liquid fertilizer, you can use the liquid draining from your compost bin, or you can also use fresh compost to make it. For that, you need a good quality compost that you can buy from the description box link. Take around a handful of compost and put it in a water bucket with liter of simple water. You can also add a piece of jaggery because it speeds up your fermentation process. Place this container in a warm and shaded area. It takes around 3 to 4 days for the fermentation to be done. After that you can use this liquid as your compost tea, but first you have to dilute this liquid. For that take 5 parts of water and add a part of this liquid. Mix well and our compost tea liquid fertilizer is ready to use. For correctly using compost tea liquid, you have to first dig the upper layer of soil and let it dry for a while. Take a dose of diluted compost tea liquid. Add it over the soil. Keep the plant in an ideal location for maximum growth. Overdose doesn't harm your plants so much, still you should be careful. You should use compost tea fertilizer as the plant starts to grow. Don't fertilize your plants with compost tea during dormancy time. In the growing season, roots absorbs nutrients much faster and shows results as well. Compost tea liquid fertilizer is a regular fertilizer that you can use on all type of plants, like your root vegetables, seasonal flowering plants, indoor plants, all type of seedlings as well. Heavy feeders like roses, hibiscus, jasmine plant, tomatoes etc. may not like this fertilizer, because it may not fulfill their nutritional needs efficiently. So for them, different organic fertilizers are added in the description. Must give them a try. So it's all about compost tea liquid. For any question leave a comment below. For learning more about different fertilizers, you can check out this complete playlist.